Hello everyone, welcome back to the telecom video. We're going to be replacing the trunk lights with LEDs. These are from the same people, super bright LEDs.com. I like the front ones in the step lights, so I decided to go ahead and purchase these two. I will not be purchasing LED lights for the other two I was talking about in the front. So to not blow the fuse and also not disconnect the battery, we can disconnect this 15 amp fuse right here, because this runs the interior lighting. Hopefully it may also run the lighting in the trunk. It is out and we can see the lights have turned off. We can just leave that there. And to disconnect the ones in the back, we will need a flathead, and we can start poking at these dispersion plates. And there is it out, and there's the bulb we want to remove. It looks like we're going to need to pry out upward to get this one out of here. There's that side, and there's the other one. We're going to grab this, and there's our light, and of course our new ones. And they look to be the same size, so you can go ahead and remove the other one on top. Now focus here. Just hold on with plastic snaps, same way as the other one, up and out. And we can go ahead and remove these ones from their packaging. These ones are also CAN bus and also have resistors in the front of them. I assume hopefully these are also dimmable. We will have a before and after once these are installed. To install these, we're just going to install them how we remove the other ones. And there we go, they are installed. Also, don't know if I mentioned this before, but they also are warm white. I just do not like the pure white ones. I want to keep the factory look, but also just have them brighter. Probably will be keeping these just in case anything happens. And we can go ahead and just reconnect the fuse. Here we are. And there we have it. Nice and bright. I'm looking at the camera viewfinder and what they look like in person. The camera's trying to compensate for the light directly pointing at them, but looking at it on person, they are nice and bright. Oop, this one is not on. Apologize for that quick cut I just did right there. But a problem I noticed with these bulbs compared to the originals is that this metal contact point is just a bit smaller than what these grabbers allow for. So what you want to also do is grab a pair of needle nose pliers, and you want to do this to them. You want to grab these two contact points and squeeze them together. That way they're not so spread out as before. To show you the difference, here's what the clamps squish together. See how it doesn't move and doesn't rotate that easily when I move it up and down. And here's the one without the clamps squeezed together. See how much freely this can turn. Also how much it can rock back and forth. If you don't squeeze them together, there isn't a good enough contact point where these can just flicker on and off very fast. And now see how it doesn't flicker anymore when I tap it. Anyway, back to the video. Oh, probably have to reseat that one, but that one also looks fantastic. And we'll be right back with the night and day difference. And this is the trunk. This would be before. These are the incandescents. These are both the same size. And here is it with the LEDs. That is quite the difference. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.